Pankaj, was this an attempt by Adhir Chaudhary to save democracy?
See, any attempt on media by anyone is deplorable. I don't endorse this. But about the whole controversy...
No. Don't go away from that. First of all, let's discuss the mad and crazy, violent behavior of the Lok Sabha opposition leader.
I don't endorse this.
Is it not
this.
mad? Would you use the word mad, crazy, violent? What is the word you would use for it?
I mean, anyone who
No, these are the people who say we are going to save the media. Rohan Somen Mitra. Rohan Somen Mitra, who supports the Congress. Yes, Rohan.
Yes. I support the Congress, and I'm here to defend Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Clearly, two things. It's 42 degrees, 43 degrees. When you pick on a man who's 8 seconds of a long speech, and you interpret it in a completely different way, and you keep telling him the same thing over and over again, and while he's campaigning for a seat, and couple of things here.
So you can beat up a reporter or two.
No.
So the logic is, one or two reporters, you can hold them by the collar, you can break their mic, you can behave in a mad way, you can do, it's normal. Abhi to Congress is not in power yet. You people say no, after we come to power, we have seen. We have seen. Have we not seen, Sandeep? Sandeep, we've seen.
You're portraying the wrong information.
No. We'll come to that second. We'll come to that second. No, 1 minute. I don't portray anything. If a person says it is better to vote for the BJP, and that is the comment, exact words made by him, than to vote for the Trinamool Congress, he's basically... No, 1 minute. That's not the point is. I'll come to that. First, the physical assault. Look at the man. Okay. He's India's opposition leader in the Lok Sabha, no less. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary कोई छोटे मोटे नेता नहीं है. अधीर रंजन चौधरी कांग्रेस पार्टी के बहुत वरिष्ठ नेता है. लोकसभा में उनके बॉस है, चीफ है. ऑपोजिशन के भारत के लोकसभा में वो चीफ है. वो बीजेपी को प्रमोट करे तो हेडलाइन नहीं बनती है.
और यूपी
आप भी जाके करेंगे ऐसे बीजेपी को प्रमोट?
क्या बीजेपी को?
मैं आई प्लीज फिनिश व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग.
सुनिए ना, मैंने सुना है वो कोट. एक्चुअल क्या है दिक्कत आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी और
पहले तो आपको बांग्ला समझ में नहीं आता. आपने क्या सुना है? आपको समझ में नहीं आया होगा.
अरे उन्होंने कहने
आपको बांग्ला समझ में आता है क्या?
कहने का तरीका होता है.
यू अंडरस्टैंड बंगाली?
उन्होंने कहा क्योंकि वहां पे दो पार्टियां आपस में लड़ रही हैं. कांग्रेस भी लड़ रही है, टीएमसी कांग्रेस सामने पश्चिम बंगाल में लड़ रही है. तो पश्चिम बंगाल में तो अपने हिसाब से बातें रख रहे हैं. आपने उसको नहीं, उसका नैरेटिव ऐसा आप बनाना चाहते हैं.
वीडियो दिखाइए ना जहां पे बोल रहे हैं. पहले उनको वो वाला क्लिप दिखाइए ना. एक
पूरे हिंदुस्तान में बयान कर रहे हैं. वो आप नैरेटिव चेंज करना चाहते हैं.
एक मिनट. One point. I want to tell you the significance. ये रुकेंगे नहीं. Now I'll get someone else opposite you. 1 minute.
Can I just finish what I was saying?
आप रुक जाइए. Sanju with right now will complete her point. Sanju, the what is being said here is that Congress was not promoting the BJP. We did not. और अगर promote कर दिया तो गलती में promote किया.
मैं आपको एक
Arnab, can you moderate the debate?
Continue, please. Okay, now Anurag off the screen for a while, please. I'll get him back. It's impossible.
Bhadauria is such a pain in the...
No, please now. Please.
क्यों तोड़ते हैं? आप देखिए, आपके पास कोई मुद्दा नहीं है.
एक मिनट. अनुराग जी. Yes, Anurag ji, 2 minutes शांत हो जाइए, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. You know, I think Sandeep actually put it very succinctly, Arnab. You know, you guys must be really doing a good job because in February 2024, I don't like to say it, but your colleague Shantu Pan, he was arrested and the Kolkata High Court had to intervene to ensure that the TMC government did not victimize him any further. And then today you have Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, again from the Dot Alliance, who was so rude and uncouth. Being a public representative, one expected him to be more courteous. I will just say this. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is not a small fish. He's been a member of parliament from Berhampur since 1999. He was the MOS Railways from 2012 to 2014. He's currently the working president of the West Bengal Pradesh Congress Committee.
Wrong. He's the president of the Bengal Congress.
Can I please finish? Who the hell is this now?
You're wrong. So I'm just telling you that. He's the president. You said working president.
Yes,
he's the president, ma'am.
Acting president is what I said. Acting president You will
No,
take
he's
your own-
neither of them. He's the president.
I refuse
There is
to
not
speak.
working president or acting president. He's
You
the
can ask this
president.
man to
He's been
continue.
a president for 3.5 years.
You can ask this man to
So
continue.
why is the president of the
let me
Bengal
finish.
Congress
Rohan
told
Vikas,
people it
stop
is
being
better
so-
to vote for the BJP?
No,
Can I
let me
please
answer
finish,
that.
Arnav?
Why?
Let her finish,
Why
I
would
will
anyone
answer
in their
that.
right mind do
I
that?
just
Let me
wanted to
finish.
see if she was factually wrong. That's
Oh
it.
my
I will not
God.
interrupt
Can I
her.
please? Arnav, can I finish? Now this person who's giving me gyan about me being factually wrong, let me show him the mirror. I did not want to make this personal. What did Rahul Gandhi say? Rahul Gandhi said this about the Prime Minister at a rally very recently and this clip is viral on social media. And कान खोल के सुनो अभी. आप यहाँ मुझे भाषण दे रहे हो. आपको पता है नरेंद्र मोदी बहुत बड़ा झूठा है. नरेंद्र मोदी थर-थर कांपता है.
Again, you're doing
नरेंद्र मोदी
whataboutery.
जब डरता
Again,
है,
you're going
तो
off
वो
topic and
चाइना
doing
की बात करता
whataboutery.
है.
You were wrong
नरेंद्र
about
मोदी
Adhir
जब
Ranjan
डरता है,
Chaudhary's
तो वो
designation.
पाकिस्तान
That's
की
all I
बात
corrected.
करता है.
Please come
इस
back to
बार
the debate.
नरेंद्र मोदी
Please come back to the
बचपन
debate.
में
You were wrong
छुपाएगा.
about his
This is the
designation.
language
That's
of
all.
your leader Rahul
wrong about
Gandhi.
his
BJP is
designation.
also fine.
So stop lecturing me.
Now, question being, Siddhartha Das and Neil Basu. Let me start with you, Neil. How do you view this? Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, Lok Sabha Congress chief, asks the crowd to vote for the BJP instead of the Trinamool Congress. And this happens in an election rally in Murshidabad, where TPM State Secretary Mohammad Salim is the Indie Bloc candidate.
No.
So the Indie Alliance, and he is on stage. He does not interrupt or stop Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. He hears Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary saying it is better to vote for the BJP. He does not intervene. He's sitting there. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is saying better vote for BJP than vote for Trinamool. He does not intervene. How do you view this, Neil?
आप झूठ बोल रहे हो. आप अर्नब आप झूठ बोल रहे हो.
अरे इतनी जल्दी
आप
झूठ
उसका
बोलने की
narrative
बात मत
change
करिए.
करो.
सब कुछ टेप पर है.
Narrative change करना चाहिए. बात करने का
कोई झूठ
तरीका
बोल
होता है.
रहा है. राजा हरिश्चंद्र
अच्छा ये नील बासु की बात सुनिए. तृणमूल कांग्रेस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को सुनिए. Listen to the Trinamool Congress point of view. Neil Basu on the debate. Neil Basu.
Question was to me, perhaps.
Neil Basu, please.
Question
Neil
was to
Basu.
me.
Anurag, please wait. Neil.
I think the electorate of Behrampur, that is the people of Behrampur constituency, assembly constituency, are very much vigilant about their rights. They are very much vigilant what they should do. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, what Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary says, what XYZ anybody says will have any impact upon the electorate, because the electorate is of the Behrampur assembly constituency knows whom to vote, how to vote, and who have done development. So it is needless for Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary to say whether voting for BJP will be better than voting for Trinamool. It will not play any impact, I think so. And BJP on this aspect is nothing to be excited about, because the BJP is howling at this and saying that yes, vote for BJP, not vote for Trinamool. This is a great thing by which BJP's vote bank will increase. There is nothing to be excited about. The electorate of Murshidabad, of the Behrampur, that which falls under the district of Murshidabad, is very much vigilant. They know who have done what works have been done in last 5 years, and how have they been benefited from different policies. So
नहीं ये मुझे बताइए. नहीं और एक सवाल मेरा ये है. और एक सवाल मेरा है ये. मैं I want to ask this question in Hindi to Anurag Bhadoria. You know अनुराग जी, इसको क्या कहते हैं ना कि जबान फिसल जाना. तो हिंदी में कहते हैं हमारी जबान फिसल गई. हम ये नहीं कहना चाहते थे, हम कुछ और कहना चाहते, बात निकल गई. मगर जो दिल की बात होती है ना, ऐसे ही फिसल जाती है. जैसे शिवपाल सिंह यादव है, समाजवादी के बहुत बड़े नेता है. आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैव हर्ड, उन्होंने भी कहीं पे कह दिया है. क्या कहा है जरा बता दीजिए. शिवपाल यादव ने क्या ये सच है कहा है दैट वी हैव टू मेक द बीजेपी विन बाय अ ह्यूज मार्जिन.
अब आप सुन लीजिए.
नहीं क्यों हो रहा है ये? why are your India Alliance leaders saying these things?
सुनिए मैं अपनी
नहीं, शिवपाल यादव ने क्या कहा जरा रिपीट करिए.
नहीं मैं बता रहा हूँ.
शिवपाल यादव ने क्या कहा जरा बताइए.
अच्छा मैं बता रहा हूँ. अरे बोल रहा हूँ. एक इनके मंत्री हैं जो मैनपुरी से लड़ रहे हैं. मैनपुरी से एक चौहान है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के मंत्री हैं. वो क्या उन्होंने पता क्या बोला? डिंपल जी जीतेंगी. समाजवादी पार्टियां भारी बहुमत से जीतेगी, उन्होंने बोला ये। और विपक्ष में लड़ रहे हैं, वो डिंपल जी के सामने लड़ रहे हैं, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? जरा आप सुना दीजिए, आप सुना दीजिए। तो ये
शिवपाल यादव ने क्यों कहा कि आप बीजेपी के लिए भारी बहुमत से वोट दीजिए?
किसने क्या बोला, कैसे क्या बोला?
What do you mean किसने क्या बोला? स्टेज से बोला वोट फॉर बीजेपी। Firhad Hakim has said, Sidharbrata Das, Firhad Hakim has said that the Congress is working in this election like an agent of the BJP. He has said this party, the Congress party, is a BJP agent. Why has he said that? And how do you view this statement that has been made by Adhir Chaudhary that vote for BJP, it is much better to vote for BJP than it is to vote for Trinamool?
Arnav, you understand Bengali, so I am saying that there is a line in Bengali that Biporit Kale Buddhi Nash, that when your demise is very near, you do things which bring your demise even sooner. The thing is that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is under the payroll of BJP for long.
Oh.
This statement is not surprising for us who keenly follow the politics of Bengal.
Oh.
We know very well that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, rather than working for Congress, he works for BJP when it comes to the state of West Bengal. He has been doing this for quite a long time, and along with his friends, Mohammad Salim and others, the entire group here is actually working for BJP.
It's a very big statement that you are making.
The fight is between Trinamool Congress and BJP.
You're making a very big point.
All
you are saying, are you saying, Sidharbrata, are you saying that the topmost opposition leader in the Lok Sabha of India, Lok Sabha opposition chief, Sidharbrata, listen to me. Sidharbrata, listen to me for a minute. Is my audio going through? Foldback higher in the Kolkata studio, please. My foldback has to be higher in the studio.
From which
No, it's not a call. It's
comes out of the 7
increase my foldback in the Kolkata
6
studio.
were won by Trinamool Congress in 2021, and the only seat which is in the home
Increase
turf
the
of
foldback,
Adhir
not
Ranjan
earphone.
Chaudhary was won by BJP, not
No,
one
no,
seat
one
won
minute.
by Congress.
Viewers,
Arnav, can I
So
come
we
in,
know
please?
very well
No.
that
Can
in
I
a
come in,
few
please?
days' time,
Trinamool hits back. Breaking
In a
news.
few days'
Trinamool
time,
hits back. Calls Congress BJP
Adhir Ranjan
agent.
Chaudhary-
I'll tell you. Sanju and Sandeep on one side and Pankaj and Anurag on the other, and Neil also. Let us go back 6 months. Sandeep, they said we will offer new hope to this country. We are going to use the name of the country to define our alliance. We will provide refreshing change, new ideas, artificial intelligence, this and that. They need artificial intelligence for sure because the common intelligence is not working. Now, this is what they are doing today.
I'm surprised that you mentioned
पंकज जी क्या हुआ तेरा वादा वो कसम वो इरादा
Arnab, I'm surprised they're
Should
not
ask
seeing
क्या हुआ
बीजेपी का वादा,
this is a deep fake.
बीजेपी का वादा क्या हुआ? किसान की इनकम दोगुनी
जनरल जी,
क्या हुआ? बीजेपी का वादा
promises in
क्या हुआ?
2014
बीजेपी का
क्या
वादा
हुआ
15
तेरा
लाख
वादा?
रुपए हर एक अकाउंट में आएंगे,
Arnav,
क्या
you
हुआ?
have to allow the BJP to rebut.
One minute.
This joker comes on every debate
वो कसम वो
and
इरादे,
mindlessly
क्या हुआ?
discusses
क्या हुआ?
allegations with BJP.
क्या हुआ?
I would
क्या
like
हुआ?
to underline the media exercise.
पार हो गया, 30-40 रुपए से आना था, क्या
Anurag and Sanju.
का वादा, बुलेट ट्रेन चलेगी, क्या हुआ? क्यूटो बनने वाला था,
Up and down.
100 स्मार्ट सिटी बनने वाली थी, क्या हुआ?
111 seats in 2022.
अब तो
You
रुपया और
people are fighting amongst each other.
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा?
You know
क्या
what
हुआ?
happened
किसकी
recently at
गारंटी वाली
Wardha?
थी? किसान की
Uddhav
इनकम
Thackeray
दोगुनी
was
वाली
at the
थी,
public
क्या हुआ
meeting
तेरा वादा?
and the Congress workers
वही है ना,
snatched the mic from
तुम
Uddhav
तो
Thackeray.
धोखेबाज
The Congress
हो,
workers told
वादा
Uddhav Thackeray,
करके भूल
तुम्ही बोलू नका.
जाते हो,
And Uddhav Thackeray said,
बीजेपी
अरे मी
तो
मात्र 5 मिनिट
धोखेबाज
बोलतो. मी
है,
मात्र 5 मिनिट बोलतो. Uddhav Thackeray said, please allow me to
जाती
speak
है,
for just
ये
5
वादा
minutes.
किया था ना?
This was at a rally in
कौन है
Wardha.
धोखेबाज?
Then let us look at
जनता के
21st
साथ
April.
वादे किए थे,
There was this huge
हम
rally
आएंगे,
at Ranchi in
राष्ट्रीय
Jharkhand on the
करेंगे,
21st
समाज
of
के अंदर
April.
भाईचारा
Then a few
पैदा
days
करेंगे,
back,
देश की
Congress
युवाओं को
workers
रोजगार देके उनको पैरों पे खड़ा करेंगे।
But
ये
throwing
5 किलो
chairs
चावल,
and
5 किलो
tables
आटा में लाइन लगाने के लिए तो नहीं बोला था आपने।
समाजवादी
2014 में आप जब चुनाव लड़ रहे थे, बोले थे हम आएंगे सत्ता में, 5 किलो चावल, 5 किलो आटा में नहीं, हम लोगों को पैरों
democracy
पे खड़ा
work.
करेंगे, लोगों को
This
पैर
was
पे
a
कहाँ खड़ा किया, लाइन में खड़ा कर
full-on
दिया,
rally.
5 किलो चावल 5 किलो आटा में, ये पैरों पे खड़ा करना बोलते हैं इसको। आप बोलते हो देश की इकोनॉमी 5 ट्रिलियन हो गई, 5 ट्रिलियन की करना सेठों के लिए 5 ट्रिलियन हो गई क्या? गरीब आदमी तो और गरीब हो गया, गरीब आदमी जो रोजगार की जगह लाइन में लगा दिया, बेरोजगारी बढ़ गई। कौन है? बीजेपी तो धोखेबाज है, वादा करके भूल जाती है।
Sanju on the debate right now, Sanju. Sanju.
बीजेपी
संजू,
धोखेबाज है।
गाना बंद कीजिए।
भी दिखते हैं, तुम अपना दाम तो बोलो, यहाँ ईमान भी दिखते हैं। आप लोगों ने अपना ईमान बेच दिया है, आप लोगों ने अपना ईमान बेच दिया है, इसलिए जनता ने आपको नकार दिया है।
बीजेपी ने जनता के लिए,
यहाँ तहजीब भी दिखती है,
जनता के लिए, बीजेपी ने जनता के साथ धोखा किया है, जनता के साथ किया है, देश की जनता के साथ।
Swayam Asta says basically even the Congress wants the BJP to win.
देश की जनता
Live tonight, Reyansh Gupta says it's the frustration of the Congress that has reached his peak. Don't blame them. Pappu is to be blamed. And Pooja Sengupta says we all saw Hadi Ranjan assaulted the Republic reporter. Just because Republic does journalism fearlessly, these cowards attack them. He must apologize. I don't expect an apology. Now,